Definitely. So I would like to also say that other than having this academic exchange and cultural exchange between your fellow PhD students and other researchers in Academia Sinica, the TIGP program also has a way for students to be supported in going international conferences. So I was fortunate to avail one of the travel grants, which I used to attend the International Symposium on Molecular Spectroscopy. Attending that conference helped me develop a huge network of experts in the field whom we are having collaboration at present. So I would say that this kind of support is really, really critical in building one's career after graduate school or even in graduate school. So doing a PhD is not only developing our intellectual capabilities, but also it affects on how we view things, how we perceive the world. So one of the most influential people in the way I think would be my PhD supervisor, which is Professor Jerlai Kuo. So in his group, I learned how to think critically. I learned how to be more independent, and I learned how to weigh the scientific problems that I have to do my research. So for my family, I know that doing a graduate school would create a lag in your early career, because unlike people who go to the industry after they finish the undergraduate, 5 years could bring them to a assistant managerial or a managerial position. However, if you do graduate school, you spend at least 5 to 7 years, but after 5 to 7 years, that's the only time you would start building your independent scientific career. So my family is really supportive for allowing me to pursue this in the studies. And of course, friends are also very important, because they're the ones that are there to support you when you are in a bad situation, when you are in a good situation. So having a good support network is really important and is crucial for one's success in graduate school. For people who would like to go to a PhD program, I think there are a few important questions that one should try to answer. The first one is, why do you need a PhD? Because getting a PhD is not a 1 year or a 2 year commitment. It takes at least 5 to 7 years to earn that degree. So perhaps it would be good to know, why do you need it? Do you need it in your dream job? Then, if you decided to go to a PhD program, next thing that you have to consider is, how international is your graduate program? And I'm very confident to say that TIGP is very international. As you could just go to the webpage, you could see the statistics of international students. Then the third question would be, what research problem do you want to do? PhD is not like undergraduate studies. Here, most of the time, the direction of your research is not really well defined. It's not is structured in the sense that it's like a textbook material nor a problem in an exam. It's more of answering an open question. So it's very important for people who want to do a PhD to develop a research direction, to look into a problem that they really want to solve, and that problem will keep you going in your program because you like solving that problem. So that's the key to the success. Develop a problem that you really want to solve.